We're here at Sano Beach Port, so since it's a 45-minute boat ride to Nusa Penida, we woke up early. Our driver picked us up at 6:30 a.m. and as you can see, there are a lot of tourists, and you know, it's one of the things you really can't avoid when traveling.
All I ever need is here with you. Where we can go, where it's always.
Just arrived at Nusa Penida Island with a 30-minute boat ride. Why? Because you're first?
Sorry?
You're the first son?
Yeah,
Why?
yeah.
The second son is Madi.
Yeah,
Mahal.
that is Madi. In number 3, Komang.
Komang.
The last
Komang is
Get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight.
oh shit. From the parking lot, it's a short but steep hike down to Diamond Beach. I'm sorry if my footage is like this. I was wearing flip-flops and I did not expect this. Plus, it was extremely hot, so get ready if you plan to visit Diamond Beach. Yan na, sulod na sa ta. Yan na, pagbalik.
Which one they want to go to?
Okay, panaong para ba? Side of Nusa Penida, and this is called Diamond Beach, and you can see it's not easy going here. Like, you have to go down and it's really a lot of struggle, but yeah, I think it's worth it. The view is so amazing. This is better than Kelingking Beach on the west side of Nusa Penida. The way to the beach is really steep, so I don't actually recommend someone who's afraid of heights to go here. It's quite difficult to reach. It's next to a massive cliff, so it's a long way down. And you need to hold the rope again down to the beach. It can really be dangerous because of the stairway and you have to climb a little bit, but it's all worth it as you see this breathtaking view. We decided not to swim and just take pictures because it's very time consuming and we only have one day to travel the east side and west side of Nusa Penida. And this is what I'm talking about. If you really don't hold on to the rope, then I think you might die. I swear, it's not easy. Now we're we're back upstairs. Shit. Kainan yung exercise ba ang hapon? At bistang tayo. Second spot, we're here at the Treehouse after eating lunch. Went over here in the famous Treehouse. As you can see, the view over there was the place we just went to. It's Diamond Beach, and now we're here at the Treehouse. Here's the Treehouse.
Overnight.
So hot, but the view is incredible. Nusa Penida pa more. Hindi dia agak hangat lagi tayo. Going to the west side this time. Done with the east side. I'll go to sleep first.
Pass on the broken road.
Broken beach, pass on the broken road.
Nusa Penida is a small island and roads everywhere are bumpy, so it's gonna give you headache, backache while on the car. That's why we brought our own snacks and a lot of water. Stay hydrated, my friend. On our way to the west side, I was just sleeping the whole time.
Because there is a lot of tourists to mainstream. So yeah, take a look.
We were so tired and decided not to visit Broken Beach and Angels Billabong, but for sure we'll be back the next time we visit Bali. We paid 800,000 rupiah each for this trip. It was worth it, of course, as we had the chance to visit both sides of Nusa Penida. It was really a fun day indeed. These were my photos the time we were back at Center Port in Bali. We experienced heavy traffic going back to our hotel in Seminyak, of course, with those haggard faces, wash up and rest for a while. We ate Korean food around Seminyak and Kuta, and of course we partied at Motel Mexicola since it's our last night in Bali.